Welcome. In this video, we're going to have a look at present perfect for recent completed actions. We will have a look at the meaning and the usage, why we use the present perfect for recent finished or completed actions. If you want to have a look at the structure or the pronunciation for the present perfect, I'll put the link in the comments below. You can have a look there and practice the pronunciation and practice more the structure there. So sit back and enjoy. The form, we'll have a look at the form first. Have you done your homework yet? And then your answer could be, yes, I've done it. I have already done it. Yes, I've just done it. Or no, I haven't done it yet. So you can see, have you done your homework yet? Here's a question form. Yes, I've already done it. It's a positive. Yes, I've just done it. Another positive. I haven't done it yet is a negative form. So let's have a look at the timeline. Present perfect for recent finished actions, focusing on just. So I have just finished my homework. Here we're talking about something that you recently finished. So not so long ago, you finished your homework. Here we kind of use the present perfect to show that there's a connection between you finishing your homework and the now. And it's kind of to stress that it's not so long ago that you finished the action. Otherwise, you would just use the simple past. For a difference between present perfect and simple past, that's for my next video. So present perfect is also used to talk about something recently finished. I've just done my homework. This means not so long ago you finished your homework. It's an unspecified time in the past, so we don't know when. It could be 5 minutes ago, an hour ago, 10 seconds ago, or just now. We don't know when the person did it, but it wasn't so long ago. It's usually used to stress you finished the action and there's no need to do it anymore, or the other person doesn't need to worry about it anymore because you have done this action. Now the same thing with already, the adverb already. Again, to talk about something that you've recently done. It could be recent or it could be a bit further away, but it means that you've already done it. Again, it's to really stress that the action is finished and it doesn't need to be done anymore. You don't need to do this anymore. I've already done my homework. So again, no need to worry. I've already done my homework. So you finished your homework somewhere before now. When we don't know. It's again an unspecified time in the past. We don't know when the person did it. And we usually use it to stress that you finished the action and there's no need to do it anymore or no need to worry about it anymore. Same thing. Now let's have a look at yet. Here we're talking about an action that is not finished yet. So it's a not finished action and something that you will do later. So right now we have not done your homework, but you will hopefully do it in the future, or you're promising that you will do it in the future. So here again, there's a connection with the present. Right now you haven't done your homework yet, but you will do it later on. So it's really to stress that you will do it later and that you know that you have to do it, but don't worry, I'm going to do it later. So here, just and already you have finished your task, yet you haven't finished your task yet, but you're going to do it later or hopefully later. Later could be later today, could be later next week, could be later next year. We don't know, but somewhere in the future, you promise that you will do it. Just to have an overview of the structure, just already and yet, just and already is used in positive form. I have just finished, or I have already finished. Yet doesn't have a negative form. There is no negative form here. Just and already, I haven't just finished. Again, for just and already, there is no negative form, but for yet, I haven't finished my homework yet. All three have a question form. Have you just finished? Have you already finished? Have you finished yet? So for the question, you have all three. positive, just and already, and negative for yet. So again, just is a recently finished action, positive and questions. Between have and your main verb. Already, again, a finished action, not necessarily recent. And again, between have and your main verb, as you can see here. And then yet, this one is not finished, but you're going to do it later. And that is a negative in questions, and it's at the end of the sentence. I haven't finished yet, so it's not between. As you can see, have and just is here, just and already is here, yet is not between the two verbs. So this was the present perfect for recently finished actions. If you have any questions or comments, as always, write them in the comments below and I will help you. Also, if you have any requests or other videos you would like to know, send it to me. There will be also a practice link in the comments below, so you can go to the website and do some more practice on the present perfect with just, already, and yet. Here are some of the examples. There's 3 practices. There's a multiple choice where you have to choose between just and already. Here is a bit more difficult. You have to, the next exercise, you have to use the whole structure of the present perfect plus an adverb. And here you have some sort of sentence, but you have to make the sentence in English. You have to make the sentence better. And as always, there's also some questions for you to answer that you can answer. Have you already done your homework? Things like this. What have you done already today? Things like this. All at the website, and the links are in the comment below. Like I said, for my next video, it will be present perfect or simple past for level 2. We had already a video for level 1. This is a bit more in depth for different usage of the present perfect and the simple past and how they kind of differ. They might be very similar, but there's a difference, and we'll have a look at it in the next video, as well as some practice exercises there as well. As always, you can find some more on my social media or on my website, and you can follow, and then again, you're always up to date with the new videos. So I would say go to the website and go do some practice. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So have fun, try and practice the present perfect for recently finished actions, and see you in the next video.